This is Honor X6 and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first and foremost, make sure that your device is properly connected to VPN. Then find and launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar, type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can install it directly from the search results, or you can also open its designated app page and, well, install it from there. Doesn't matter, both ways will result in the identical outcome. You will install the Opera browser. So now let's wait for it to be properly downloaded and installed. And once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser, or you can skip this step. And at this page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.